I have my WATERFLY running pack. So, some people call these fanny packs, but this is a really nice one. It's got the material that dries really quickly. It's got a very comfortable, stretchable band here. And I like the attachment here. I'll show you how this goes. Like this. It's very easy to take off. You're not like reaching behind and pulling, reaching and trying to feel for those clips. You have this big clip right here. Really adjustable as well. If we take a closer look at it, it's got 3 separate pockets, okay? So you have your main pocket, which is right here. I hope you can see that. You have your kind of medium-sized pocket, which is right here on the front, okay? And then you have a smaller one. This is like kind of maybe for like keys, or I put iPod or iPad, your earbuds in there. Each one of them has its own zipper, right? So you keep things separate. There you go. There you go. And there you go. You also have a spot for a earbud wire. If you put it on, it's very slim to the body, which I really like. I'll show you. If I put my shirt down, you don't even know it's on. It's very, very small, but also it has a lot of capacity. You can fit a lot of things in there. So if I, do something like this and I take that, that'll fit in there. So yeah, it's big. You fit your phone in here, fit all kinds of stuff, money. When I run, I don't usually take a ton of stuff with me. And usually when I run, I usually put something like this in the back. So I would wear it like so. So it would be back here. So even though it's back here, still, you want it to have, you want it to be small, or sometimes I'll wear it to the side. I also use these, actually I use these a lot more when I travel, especially when I fly. Put passports, license, all kinds of things in here. So it's very small, but also has a high capacity. It feels like you'd fit a lot of stuff in there. The material is that quick dry material, like I said, and it's like stretchable. So it's very comfortable. So when you're running, sitting, it does stretch with you. All right, so this is the WATERFLY running belt.